So hey guys, this was a very simple short video. I'm going to unpack this Baokemo sanitary ware. This is I think from the brand is from China. Okay, just spot it. This is for the washing machine water tap. Okay, what's its name? I'm not sure, but you can see it's from Faucet province. About this Baokemo, this brand. Okay. So this is a double head water tape for the washing machine. The tape, the pipe for the pipe. So they give you this type. I order online. Got this. Okay. What else? So another was this. Later I name it on the title. I have forgot already. What is this? The name? So this is let's see, SUS340. Okay, so it means the material. Okay, the material, you can just peel it out, the white thing, I think so. So bought from Shopee. This what I got. Okay. This is for the they say for washing machine use. So you can see the material here. This is it. Okay, so you can see it. So we try on this the pipe from washing machine. So it's just slot in, plug and play, so easily. Okay, you can see just plug and play easily. So it's a very useful water tap for home use for washing machine. Double head means you can connect to two washing machine easily. Okay, let's fill it. Okay. So easily control. So I fixed a simple unboxing video about the double head for the washing machine outlet. Okay. Yeah, easy can change it. No, it's already sealed it. Okay. So that's all for unboxing this thing. What we call this later I find out and I put on the title. Okay. That's all for this video. If you like this video, this is what brand already? It's called Baokemo brand from China. Okay, bought online. So if you like this video, please give us a like and please subscribe to channel. Okay, so let's write down the material is 304. Okay, so thanks for watching and goodbye.